Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button to get notified when new videos come out.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our channel. I'm back with another exciting video. Hopefully everybody doing well. Today I'm making Bellari beef. It's South Indian, west of South. It's called Bellari beef. It's very famous beef. Actually, when I was in the Middle East, I tried sometime. It's really nice and really tasty dry beef. So actually it's fried beef. So please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. For Bellari beef, I marinate beef first. So for that I have 6 cloves of garlic and half a small piece of ginger, small dice, and half onion. I'm gonna blend all together. So first we're gonna blend ginger, garlic and onion together. So our ginger, garlic and onion paste is ready. I'm gonna add it to the beef. By the way, beef is about 1 kilo beef. Try to get a little fatty beef. And then I'm gonna add salt. According to your taste, you can put salt according to your taste. Putting 1 teaspoon. Turmeric, 1 teaspoon. Cumin, crushed cumin, 1 teaspoon. Crushed coriander, 1 teaspoon. Chili powder, 2 teaspoon, and also the curry leaf. I'm gonna add some curry leaf, and then a couple of tablespoon of oil. I'm gonna marinate the beef. So our beef is marinated for almost half an hour. So I'm going to start making our Bellari beef. So I'm going to put it in the pan. I'm going to add a little bit of water to get all the spices out of this bowl. So we're going to let it cook until tender. So our beef is cooking. I'm going to cover it now. And I'm going to reduce the heat and let it cook for about 30 minutes. So our beef is almost dry. And it's completely tender, so we're gonna dry them, all the excess water on a high heat. our beef is nicely ready, almost ready actually. So we're gonna keep stirring our ladle to avoid stucking in the bottom. So we're gonna completely dry and then we remove from the heat. So keep stirring. So our beef is nicely dry. You can see this, almost frying. So that's the color we're looking for, a little darker, like dark brown color. So it's ready. Now we're gonna make a garnish for our beef. So final touches, I'm gonna add a little bit of oil, about 2 tablespoons worth of oil, and then we're gonna leave it on the side, cook a little bit, and then we add the garnish. For our fried beef, for the garnish, I'm putting a couple of tablespoons of oil, and then we're gonna put ginger and garlic julienne. Garlic, ginger, slightly brown. We're gonna add some onion. It's about 1 large onion slice. We're gonna add curry pasta. So we're gonna add some seasoning. Salt to taste, half a teaspoon of coriander, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of fennel, crushed fennel, half a teaspoon of cracked pepper, and also half a teaspoon of crushed chili. Normally they use a different kind of chili. I looked for it but I couldn't find it, so I'm gonna use a regular red crushed chili. And also some people use fried coconut also, shaved coconut. So we're gonna dry this, cook all the spices. So our garnish is ready. We're gonna add it into our beef. We're gonna mix it, everything together. It look very nice. So it's ready. I'm gonna do some presentation. See. So it's look very amazing and tasty. It came out very nice. This is my first time making this one. I eat few times in the past, but I was able to make exactly which is I was expecting. So please do try this recipe. It's very easy and quick to make it, and it tastes very good. You can use rice with it or lentil, and also some chutneys. So it's like a, what do you call, a side dish for your lunch or dinner. So thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please do try this recipe. It's very amazing, very tasty, and feel like you're eating a roast beef. And follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. If you like our video, consider subscribe our channel. I will be back pretty soon with another exciting video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz everyone.